Are you trying to send a video file to your Discord and you're facing this error? Your files are too powerful. In Discord, the maximum file size is 20 megabyte we can send. So this topical talk's gonna show you how to reduce or compress a video file size without losing quality. So if you have a video file that is more than 25 megabyte file size, this topical talk's gonna show you how to reduce or compress the video file size for Discord. On your browser, open this website freeconverter.com/video-compressor. Once you are here, click on choose file and click on from device. And now all you have to need just upload the video that you want to compress. And here output select MP4 and just click on compress now. And as you can see, the video is uploading. It may take some time to upload the video here. It depends on your internet speed and on your video file size. Once done, here as you can see, my video has been successfully compressed and the video has been saved 43%. Now click on download. And as you can see, the video is downloading, and as you can see, current size is only 19.1 megabyte. Once you've downloaded the video, go to your Discord and click on upload file, and all you have to need just upload the compressed video. And as you can see, the video is uploading now on my Discord. So this is how we can reduce our video file size without losing quality. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.